First, open the link in the description below. Then, click on this download icon to download the Office installer file. Then locate its folder, then extract it and open the extracted folder. After that, open the start.bat and just click on Run, then Yes. The password is PCDR. Once you open the program, everything you need is already here. From here, you can choose the Office version you want to install. Choose 32-bit or 64-bit and select your preferred language. And select which Office applications you'd like to include. And toggle the Remove Existing Office and click Install. Wait until the installation is finished. After the installation, click on Close, and then you're done. It will have all of the Office programs you installed. Now it will ask for a key if you have it. Simply put it in there. But if you do not, then there's another way that is free. You need to go back to the folder you just extracted. And watch this part too.